City leaders are preparing for this week's winter storm, especially at Chicago's airports, where the aviation department expects nearly 3 million passengers. CBS 2's Asal Rasai is at O'Hare with what holiday travelers can expect.
Arrive early and give yourself some extra time. That is advice we're getting from airport officials. So if you are traveling, also consider traffic and check-in and TSA lines. So far, Southwest, United, and American Airlines are waiving change, rebooking, and difference in fare fees for flights out of Midway and O'Hare between Wednesday and this Friday. But what we haven't seen yet are mass cancellations. That's good news so far. Either way, airport officials say they are ready for anything.
We are well prepared for the impending storm that's predicted to start Thursday night, maybe tomorrow night. We have 500 staff members who are ready to work 24/7 and 350 pieces of snow removing equipment, lots of salt and lots of de-icer for the roadways.
Lots of passengers this morning heading out ahead of all the anticipated madness. Officials tell us O'Hare and Midway airports will welcome nearly 3 million passengers over the busy holiday weekend. I talked to one traveler who said she's happy she's leaving today before things get too bad. Take a listen.
I'm so relieved that I'm traveling today. Yeah, I have a lot of friends who are freaking out that they're going to miss their flights, and so I feel relieved.
So far, we know today and tomorrow will be okay for travelers, but emergency management officials are warning that weather impacts could include whiteout conditions and also make travel difficult, if not impossible. That's specifically for Thursday and Friday. I'm reporting at O'Hare. Asal Rasai, CBS 2 News.